What's going on, guys? It's your boy JB, and welcome to week number 2 of the Amazon Road to 10K per month profit challenge. And yeah, guys, as you can see, week 1 has already been highlighted, it's already been done, but I'll recap just in case you missed the first episode. And so I already created my LLC for my Amazon business. I went through PCS. If you're kind of curious of how I created my LLC, I didn't use LegalZoom. I think they typically use boilerplate, I guess LLC templates, but for this one, it was basically custom made for e-commerce and specifically for Amazon. So that's why I went with them. Also, I created my bank account today with Chase Bank. I almost chose Azlo, AZLO, but the reason why I chose Chase Bank is because it has free unlimited electronic deposits, and I wasn't sure if I might need to deposit cash. I was not sure. Aslo can do everything that Chase can do pretty much, but they just don't have, you just can't deposit any cash. I don't imagine that I will, but I just don't know. It's my first time with this business, so I just want to cover all my bases for the first year, and after that, if the management fees are way too high, I will just switch my bank account over to Aslo or to another bank, depending on the fees. But so yeah, I created that today, and then my Paydex account, the actual website was down, so I actually have to wait until Monday. If it's not up and working on Monday, then I will request a PDF, fill it out, then send it to them and see if I can do it that way. But that was the only thing that was missing on the Paydex piece of my business. So yeah, that'll get worked out hopefully next week. Okay, now here we are, week 2, the product selection tools. And really, it's really just one product selection tool that we'll be going over today, and it's called Zombies. And let's go ahead and dive right into it. So really, it's a really all-encompassing tool. You don't need Helium 10 and you don't need Jungle Scout. This does everything and also has services for you. So if you don't feel comfortable doing listings or photo enhancing, they do have a service for that, and also PPC management. I think a lot of people have issues with PPC management, and they do it for you. So I will put the link down in the description. It'll be the first link in the description, as a matter of fact, for this software. If you're interested as we go through this and you kind of dig it or you want to test it out, feel free to click that link and dive into it. But just to show you around a little bit. So I'm gonna go to find a product. I'm gonna click on that. Click on zone research. Beauty and personal care, health and household, office products, pet supplies, sports and outdoors, baby products. Don't want to do electronics, home and kitchen, and tools and home improvement. We'll do a minimum price of $13. Reviews, a max of 101. Monthly revenue, min of 9,000. Hit search. Cool. So as you can see, it's pulling up all the ones based on the criteria that we just entered in. You can just dig through all of these if you want, or you can narrow it down to something else, or you can uncheck these, obviously. But then you can just click this link. So you want to click on that one, and then kind of scroll through and see if you like what you see, and get some ideas of the listings if you choose to do this product. If not, no worries, but just want to show you how it works on the research side of things. And then you can also do keyword research, so you're flipping the script on it. So you click keyword. Let's just click one of these for the sake of time. Same thing, 13, max of 101. Let's see, 9,000. Click search. Now what it's doing is it's pulling up all the keywords that people search for when they're trying to find a product. So Longchamp, quartz bracelet, click on that. As you can see, it has like the different ratings and everything. It's just basically just pulling up based on that keyword term. in all departments. It also comes with a browser or Chrome extension for your browser. It's already installed, so click on it. Now it's just fetching the data from this page. You can see the reviews. You can toggle it if you want from minimum to maximum amount of reviews for this product or for this keyword. You can see the average monthly revenue, 7,000. Monthly units are sold, 310. Average reviews, 252. Average unit price is $28. You can also download this. You can download this CSV if you want to. Thought that was pretty cool. So yeah, again, you can research by product or by keyword. Again, what I learned in the class is just because like it seems like a hot product on here, you want to just grab the main keyword that's in here and then research it to see if it's actually a viable product to sell, because it might be there might be a ton of sellers on it. So for example, this one, let's go ahead and check the page. Reviews. Yeah, a ton of reviews on some of these. Of course, I mean, this is a heavy product anyway, but just to show you as an example, a ton of reviews for that one, that one, that one. And you can see the average monthly revenue, which is insane. Some people are killing it with these, but so there's that. Going back to Zombies. Just, again, like I already put in the Chrome extension, hot products, click on that. And it's just showing you the volume of certain products that are on the store right now. Like 2 hours ago, 3 hours ago, 1 hour ago. And how fast it's going up, the amount of reviews that it has, and the star rating. Product validator, this is pretty cool. So let's say that you use this tool and you want to find out if it's actually legit, or if you don't feel comfortable doing it for whatever reason, they have a service in here where you can actually reach out to them and they'll check it for you. So 1 product, 3, then 5. They'll check all these different things. They have a scorecard. That way they can go point by point to see and make sure that you're good to go for your product. Give you the estimated sales per month, keyword traffic, and competitive landscape. As you can see here, a few comments. This is pretty cool too. On the scorecard that had hazmat issues. So pretty cool. And again, if you got like ungated, or you're able to sell a product that's like I don't know, some kind of liquid or fluid, and you just don't know if you need some kind of like disclaimer on it, then by all means pay the $197 to figure out if you need anything else besides that. Pretty cool option, and I guarantee you almost like nobody else is offering this. So building your product, keywords, listify. So this is how you can optimize your listing for your product. Other tab, or you can pay someone else to do it for you. Again, scroll down so you can see the pricing: $397, $497, $697. So again, up to you if you want to go this route. If you don't feel comfortable doing your own listing, by all means, just try this out, see if it works out for you. Then photo enhancer. You can see the before and after pictures of the product by using the service through Zombies. Great work, in my opinion. And here's the pricing: $197, $297, Now I do have, I think I get 50% off, so this price actually might be yours when that's crossed out. I'm not really sure. I'm not 100% on that. But nevertheless, if you don't feel comfortable doing it yourself, creating photos like these, then they got your back. Alright, so we're doing the listings, track a product, reverse ASIN, Zon tracker, sales estimator, and profits. Then let's say that you're trying to get on page 1. They can do that for you too. Here's the pricing for it. You can launch. Let's see, this is only, well, yes, it's $7.97. Again, like, I don't know if it's like because of like my package that I bought, or it's just like the normal one, but it's a list of all the things that they can do for you. Unlimited ASINs. So I guess if you have different varieties or a different assortment of products, then this is probably the best for you. Again, that could be pretty pricey, just FYI, if you decide to go this route, but this option is available for you. And let's see, PPC autopilot. But again, they can do it for you. And here's the pricing. If you have more than one, I guess, variant, 1, 2, 5, 6, 10, and 10. And they take care of all that for you. It's really just dependent upon the number of ASINs that you have, it looks like. They have FAQs on every single one of the services that they provide as well. If you're just kind of curious on, you know, is this legit, or if you have certain questions about sales and all that good stuff. If they don't answer your questions, you can just, you know, click this button and hit them up. And then repricing. It's my first time seeing this. I think it might be under construction at the time. Yeah, I didn't see this before, so I think they're actually building this page up right now for a new service. And then they have training for you as well to go through this thing. But that is everything in a nutshell as far as the research. And here's everything at a glance. So if you need mentorship or need a free welcome call to go through everything for you, then I say by all means do it. And it's definitely free. Take it. But and this is everything again in a nutshell for the Zon-based software. Again, it'll list everything for you. It'll photo enhance. It gives you, of course, the bread and butter is the product and keyword research, and it gives you hot products that are taken off on Amazon. Shows you how to get to page 1. That's an option that they give you, and then also PPC management if you don't feel comfortable doing PPC for your store. So, but that's all I have for today, guys. Again, next week we'll do product selection. We'll go through how to pick a product out, and that way you guys can learn how to find the winning products to put on your store and run with it and see if it works out for you. So yeah, guys, that is it. That's all I have for today. If you enjoyed the video, give your boy a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button and notification bell while you're at it, and I will see you in the next episode. Peace.